Yeah, I think we're gonna have enough time, but if we run out, I'll just finish the video while you leave, and if you want the whole thing, there will be. So test, checklist. Rate conversions. So example, miles per hour to kilometers per hour, let's say. Okay, so you might, oh, actually miles per hour is mph. Cross that out, mph to kilometers per hour. And then next, we have Reynolds. Okay. Actually, unit rates first. Unit rates determine the best by fuel economy, etc. Okay, so remember, it's always dollars divided by quantity. Okay, don't forget that. Next, we have proportional reasoning. Okay, example. If you have, if you're walking 3.5 kilometers per hour, then how far will you go in 3.5 hours, let's say? Okay, and you have to figure out the unknown, cross multiply and divide. Okay. By the way, this is a unit rate because it's per 1 hour. Just making that observation there. You need to know your Reynolds. Remember, right? Whole quantities only. Go check that out. You can check regular versus irregular shapes. Surface area of walls. Remember, perimeter times height. You need to know the difference between scales versus scale factors. So you could have 2 to 50, and the scale factor would be 2 over 50. No units. Convert if needed. So you should have this even later on when you're studying for like the cumulative. It's nice to have a checklist at the end. Okay. Solve problems involving 1D, 2D, or 3D scenarios. This is K squared, K cubed. Okay. Tables, fill in blanks. And last but not least, scale diagrams. One question. There'll be one question on scale diagrams. So if you did the notes from yesterday, you should know what to do. And to review, just the whole booklet is yours, right? If you could, add test checklist to the front of the booklet. Test checklist is on page 62 for me at least. Okay? Checklist page 62.